Hello everyone, my name is Eniola from I Speak Yoruba Too. Welcome to another episode of What's the Difference? I posted this question last week to ask you what the difference was, and many of you did really well. You actually knew what the difference was, which I was really surprised about. So well done. Today, we're going to break down these noun phrases. We'll see how we pronounce them, what each noun word means, and how we can use them in our everyday conversations, as usual. Okay, these noun phrases, the first one is pronounced as ilé-ìwé. Repeat after me. Ilé-ìwé. Ilé-ìwé. And the second one is pronounced as ìwé-ilé. 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 So this is how you pronounce both noun phrases, ilé-ìwé and ìwé-ilé. Now let's look at the meaning of this noun in the noun phrases. Ilé-ìwé has two words, and it is ilé and ìwé. Ilé means a house. It is also used to refer to a home. So your house or your home in Yoruba is referred to as ilé. Ilé. Ìwé. Ìwé in general literally means a book. Okay? Ìwé, book. But ìwé has a variety of other meanings. It is often used in reference to anything that has to do with education or educational intelligence. So to kàwé means to study. To mọ̀wé means to be brilliant. And akọ̀wé is a secretary. So anything that has to do with the use of book in a kind of way in reference to education is ìwé. Ìwé. Now let us look at what is ilé-ìwé. Ilé is house and ìwé is book. So does that mean book, house, or house, book? Not at all. So ilé-ìwé is a school, the house of a place where you go to learn or to study is called ilé-ìwé. So ilé-ìwé in English is called school. Can you see how ìwé in this aspect is used to derive a different meaning when it is used with another noun? Ilé-ìwé is school. Ilé-ìkàwé is a library. Okay, now we know that ilé-ìwé is a school. But what of ìwé-ilé? Book, house. Really? Not at all. In this noun phrase, ìwé-ilé, the focus here is ìwé. Ìwé here is representing ilé. So ìwé-ilé means house document. So the documentation of the house. Can you see how it works differently now? I'll give you a quick tip. Whenever ìwé comes first before an object noun, always know that it means documentation. So for example, ìwé ọkọ̀. Ọkọ̀ is a car. Ìwé ọkọ̀ means the car's document. If I said ìwé-ilẹ̀, ilẹ̀ is a land. Ìwé-ilẹ̀, the land's document. So ìwé-ilé is house documents. Okay, we both know how to pronounce our noun phrases and what they mean. Ilé-ìwé, a school. Ìwé-ilé, a house documentation. Now, how do we use them in everyday conversations? I'm going to give you two examples of each noun phrases. Here we go. The first example is going to be for ilé-ìwé. Mo ń lọ sí ilé-ìwé. Mo ń lọ sí ilé-ìwé. Mo ń lọ sí ilé ìwé. I am going to school. The second example is ilé ìwé wa jìnnà gan. Ilé ìwé wa jìnnà gan. Ilé ìwé wa jìnnà gan. Our school is very far. And here is example for the second noun phrase, ìwé ilé. Wọ́n fún wa ní ìwé ilé. Wọ́n fún wa ní ìwé ilé. Wọ́n fún wa ní ìwé ilé. They gave us the house documents. And the second one is ìwé ilé dà. Ìwé ilé dà. Ìwé ilé dà. Where is the house document? Let me give you a kind of a funny combination of ilé ìwé and ìwé ilé in one sentence. So you can say, mo mú ìwé ilé lọ sí ilé ìwé. Funny, isn't it? Mo mú ìwé ilé lọ sí ilé ìwé. Mo mú ìwé ilé lọ sí ilé ìwé. I took the house document to school. That's what it simply means. Okay, I hope you understood the explanation of these noun phrases. As usual, I want you to give me one example each of the noun phrases, ilé ìwé and ìwé ilé, in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends that wish to learn Yoruba. I'll see you again on the next episode of What's the Difference? Double.